Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to whitelist email addresses in Outlook, ensuring important messages never end up in your junk folder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox settings. Once everything has loaded and you can see your emails displayed on screen, you're ready to begin configuring your whitelist settings. Now, to whitelist an email in Outlook, navigate to your home menu at the top of the screen. Look for the section labeled Delete, which contains various options for managing unwanted messages. Within this section, you'll see a junked drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional options. From the expanded list that appears, click on Junk Email Options. This is where Outlook allows you to control which senders are trusted and which ones should be filtered out. A Junk Email Options window will now appear on your screen. This window contains several tabs that help you manage your email filtering preferences. Click on the Safe Senders tab at the top of this window. This tab is specifically designed for adding email addresses to your whitelist, meaning any messages from these senders will always be delivered straight to your inbox rather than being flagged as junk. Adding senders here ensures you never miss important communications from clients, colleagues, or anyone else you trust. Once you're on the Safe Senders tab, look to the right side of the window and click on the Add button. A small input field will appear where you can type in the email address of the sender you wish to whitelist. Simply enter their complete email address, making sure there are no typos, then click OK to confirm. After clicking OK, you'll see their email address listed in the Safe Senders section, confirming they've been successfully added to your whitelist. Finally, to save all these changes and ensure your whitelist is properly updated, click on the Apply button at the bottom of the window. This step is crucial because it tells Outlook to implement your new settings immediately. From this point forward, any emails from the addresses you've whitelisted will bypass your junk folder entirely and land directly in your inbox where they belong. And that's it. You've successfully whitelisted email addresses in Outlook, giving you full control over which senders reach your inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.